That's Hunter.
All right, what's up with you guys? It's your boy Yaahn Hunter Jr. And you came here to learn how to use my gospel vocal chains. Well, I'm here to show you. So I have a session loaded up right here. And if you haven't copped the gospel vocal chains yet, you can cop them on my website, yhuntermusic.com, and enjoy this experience. So I have a session loaded up right here. I do have audio on the channel strip, so when you guys get it, it will be blank and you will have to import audio into your channel strips. Want to make that clear. So I have 4 background vocals and a lead, so we're going to be working with this. I also have an instrumental, and we're going to work on this. So the first thing I want to show you guys is a quick before and after. So this is the before. Working in me, 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 working in me. Awesome. So now let's do an after, and we're going to listen to what this whole template is doing. Working in me, 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 working in me. So that's what we got. That's what we're going to be working with and all that good stuff. And major shout out to my man, John Cable. He is the featured artist with his group. So you can check him out. This song will be available soon, and I will link it in the description when the time comes. So stay tuned for that. Back into the gospel vocal chain. So that's what it sounds like. That's what it does when you have everything engaged. So just some quick facts about it. You have a short verb, you have a long verb, and a lead delay. All these are for your lead vocals right here. You have a ping pong delay. Your background vocals, you get a short verb, a long verb, and a BGV delay. Now, the BGV delay is not a ping pong delay. It's just a stereo widened delay that gives you that dimension. So here are the 2 things you need to know about using the gospel vocal chains, and let's get into that. All right, so this is what it's going to look like when you guys download the template. Here's the first thing you need to know. You need to save this as a channel strip setting, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So let's go to the lead vocal strip, and then you're going to go to setting, and then you're going to go to save channel strip setting as. Then it's going to give you a destination to where you want it, and you can put it in the track, or you can move it wherever you need to and hit save, and then you'll be able to recall it. You're going to want to do the same thing if you want to do it for the reverb settings. Same thing for a bus. Save channel strip settings as, and it's going to give you the bus, and you can save it and name it whatever you'd like, and so on and so forth for the BGV bus as well as the BGV effects. The next thing you want to know how to do is bring in these channel strips into the current session that you're working in, so you don't always have to pull up the template first. So what you want to do is you want to go into your browser on the top right-hand corner and locate where you have the gospel vocal chains on your hard drive. I typically like to do the desktop, so for me, I already have it queued up. So you go to Gospel Vocal Chains, Logic Pro X, click this Logic session, double click that, and then you're going to get this menu that's going to pop up. So you want to start with the lead vocal and then scroll all the way down to number 12, which is BGV delay. Hit shift and hold it and click, and now you've highlighted everything all at the same time. So you want to select the plugins, check all of those. They're all going to be checked at the same time because they're all highlighted. You're going to do the same thing for your sends, and then you're going to do the same thing for the IO. Then hit add, and hit add all when this menu pops up, aux import. And there you go. You've just imported all of the channel strips into your session, your blank session. The last thing you can do to help this process go by a lot faster is actually go to File and save as a template. This way you can refer to your template, and anytime you start a session, just click your template and these channel strips will already be there. All right, guys, that's it. That's how you use the gospel vocal chains. Let me know if you have any more questions in the comments and all that good stuff. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you got any value out of this, and turn on those bell notifications so you won't miss another video. Thank you guys, and like I always say, we ain't nowhere near done. Peace.